On this video, I'm going to show you on how to increase limit online using Capitec app. So the first thing that you have to do is to get in your Capitec app, and then you're gonna click on sign in. When you are done signing in, you're gonna see this option here here on the bottom. So as you can see, there is home, there is card. So you're gonna click on cards. So when you're on cards, here you're gonna see your card, and then you're gonna have to scroll down to update your permanent limits, or you can set temporary limits. You can go and set temporary limits. These are the limits that you are going to set temporarily, and then there is update permanent limit. Here on update permanent limit, then you're gonna have to update your cash withdrawal on how much you want to withdraw, or card matching, or the money that you have to be deducted from the card machine or when you are swiping. And then there is online scan to pay. This is when you went to purchase clothes or Uber Eats, so you can limit it to take only 10,000. So for example, on cash withdrawal, let me say I want to withdraw like until 6,000. I'm just gonna press on update. Oh, it allow only 5,000. Oh, okay, but let's say, yeah, let's just say 5,000, then update. No limits updated because I haven't done anything. Okay, so as you can see, if you don't update anything, it won't allow you. Let me just say 4.5, then I press update, and then do my pin. As you can see, your card limit has been updated. If we go back and check an update limit, you can see my card limit has been updated. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like,